Welcome to EJF Academy. I am Dr. Geetanjali. In this video today I will tell you how you can do self preparation for net geography and what are the important books for the preparation of net geography. So first of all, let's see what is the syllabus of net geography because syllabus is very important. According to the syllabus, you have to study different books for different units. So there are 10 units in net geography syllabus. Unit 1 is geomorphology, Unit 2 is climatology, Unit 3 is oceanography, Unit 4 is Geography of Environment. Unit 5 is Population and Settlement Geography. Unit 6 is Geography of Economic Activities and Regional Development. Unit 7 is Cultural, Social and Political Geography. Unit 8 is Geographical Thoughts. Unit 9 is Geographical Techniques. And Unit 10 is Geography of India. So let's know which are the best book for each unit. So the first 3 units, Unit 1 Geomorphology, Unit 2 Climatology, Unit 3 Oceanography. For these 3 units, you have to study only one book, that is Physical Geography by Savindra Singh. There are 3 separate books as well for all these 3 units, but I will recommend that you should study only this single book, Physical Geography by Savindra Singh, because all these 3 units are very well explained in this book, and this book helps to make a very good base for the net geography. Then Unit 4, which is Geography of Environment. So for this unit, the book I will recommend is Environment by Shankar IAS. This book is very good. All the information related this unit has been given very well in this book, so you have to go through it. Then Unit 5 and 6. Unit 5 is Population and Settlement Geography, and Unit 6 is Cultural, Social and Political Geography. For these 2 units, you have to study the book Human Geography by Majid Hussain. This book will be sufficient for both of these units. Then Unit 6. See, this was Unit 5 and Unit 7. This Unit 6 is Geography of Economic Activities and Regional Development. For this unit, you have to study the book Economic Geography by H.M. Saxena. This is good book. Then Unit 8 is Geographical Thoughts. For this unit, you have to study Evolution of Geographical Thought by Majid Hussain. This book is sufficient. Then Unit 9 is Geographical Techniques. For this, you have to study the book Elements of Practical Geography by R.L. Singh and Rana P.B. Singh. Then your last unit is Unit 10, Geography of India. For this, you have to study this book, A Comprehensive Geography by D.R. Khuller. So these books are sufficient, and only these books you have to study and revise them again and again. Apart from these 10 units, you have to go through the current affairs as well, in which you have to stay updated on recent developments in geography and environmental studies. To keep yourself updated with current affairs, you can subscribe our channel and follow the current affairs series. That will be sufficient for current affairs. Apart from that, if you want to take coaching for net geography preparation, you can join our online course for net geography, in which you will get the complete study material in the consolidated form. You don't need to go through all these books, including the test series. To join the course, you can visit the link given in the description box. And any course related query, you can also contact us on the given number.